Installation of a domestic belt drive operator. The belt drive is quite unique in that they are easily fitted, and the principles we'll go through now. The first thing is to position the belt drive operator so that the idler pulley, when the gate bracket is attached to the gate, the belt is directly in line with the idler pulley. You do need to adjust the height of the belt drive so that the belt sits directly underneath the bottom of the idler pulley. We have height adjustment here, and we have a slot adjustment here for positioning the operator in and out. So once it's approximately in position, we dyno-bolt it down. Once the operator is bolted down, the next thing to do is to screw the belt drive bracket on the end of the gate. With the belt, you run it under that idler sprocket this side, over the top of the drive sprocket, and under the idler sprocket on the other side. And then position this, which the bracket has adjustment as well. So tack screw the bracket on in the approximate right position. And then check with the alignment. That's fine. Once we have one bracket installed, we'll need to work out where the other bracket goes. That is positioned on the front of the gate. Pull the belt tight, and with the clamper plate, put that on where that will go, and check it. Once you have the bracket bolted onto the gate, put your clamp plate underneath, pull the belt as tight as possible, bring your clamp plate up and bolt it in that position. This belt, by the way, it's a toothed belt. It has a 200 kilogram braking force. It actually has stainless steel braid throughout the length of it. So there's no way you can cut it with a Stanley knife or anything. And so it makes it very easy to fit and very strong. And that's the mechanical installation done. This is the control box. You can either mount the box directly onto the post, or feet down there. In this case, we'll mount it in this position here. Now we run the cable from the motor straight into the control box. Connect the motor wires straight to the motor terminals. And that's the electrical connection done. Now all we do is the commissioning. So we'll plug it in. Travel limit not set. Press master control for 2 seconds to enter into iLearn mode. iLearn mode, press master to learn. Now we need to select the gate type. We can either set this up as a sliding gate, or probably what's better is actually as a high-speed slider, because that way you are able to ensure that the gate does not slam into the end stops. So it says here, select gate type, swing gates, no. Sliding gates, no. Barrier boom gate, no. High-speed slider, yes. Are limit switches used on these? They are not, so you turn the master to no, press. Is the gate open halfway? Well, no it isn't. We can do it either manually or electrically. To do it manually, just put your manual release in there, turn the knob and release the gate. Set the gate halfway, lock it in. Okay, so we'll say yes, the gate is halfway. Now it's testing to see whether the gate opens or closes. Observe the gate. Did the gate open? No, it didn't. So we'll turn it to no and press no. So now it's doing its iLearn. It's just opening the gate slowly, looking for the end stop. When the gate comes onto the end stop, you'll see on the screen, it'll tell you the next instruction. Now it's going to do a close cycle. Now we see we press and hold the remote to open the gate, and take your finger off the remote when it is 15 centimeters from the full open position. So we press and hold the remote, watching the gate, and when the gate gets to nearly full open, 15 centimeters away, take your finger off the button. Now it says press and hold the remote and do the same in the close position. Learning successful and gate closed. Once the gate has done its learning cycle, press the button and test it. The boards are fully adjustable for opening speed and closing speed. I've got this going at 100% opening and then slow speed at 35%, so it drops down nicely and just comes into the stop nicely. Closing, I've got it set at 70%. So the operators, these belt drives can actually run at 270 millimeters per second opening, and normally we have it shutting around 200. And that's it.